Good morning, it's Wick here from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. And today, every Thursday morning at 9:30, I bring you a healthy live video, cooking something healthy in the kitchen. And today I'm making a fresh basil dairy-free pesto, because I know a lot of people are dairy-free, but it's also got a secret ingredient in it, what I want to share with you. But first of all, I wanted to tell you about an event that I've got coming up. As you know, I love hosting cooking healthy foodie evenings. Hi Melanie, lovely to have you with us. I host healthy foodie evenings, and I'm doing my first on the road one and going up to Warkworth on the 13th of February. So if you're after some inspiration in the kitchen, you need some fresh ideas for a healthy sweet treat, it's a coffee walnut slice. It's absolutely amazing. I call it the Wicked coffee walnut slice. I'm doing a salad. I'm also doing Vietnamese spring rolls, and then I'm also doing sun-dried tomato cucumber bites. So that's on the 13th of February. It's at the new Tui House at the Hospice building in Warkworth. It's an amazing place. Over half the tickets have sold out already. They've sold, and we do have a limited number. So if you want to grab a ticket, come along, grab a friend, head to wickedwellbeing.com/events. And it'll tell you all about it. We've got goodie bags, we've got spot prizes, drinks and nibbles on arrival. Tickets are $45 for one, or for two or more, they come down to $40, and $5 from every ticket sold will be donated back to hospice. So a really cool event to be inspired, get together with friends, but also to help out hospice. So head to wickedwellbeing.com/events, and would really love to see you there. So if you're Matakana, Warkworth, Whangarei even, Omaha, like Puhoi, everywhere around, come and see me. Okay, so today, as I said, we're making a dairy-free basil pesto. My basil is going nuts in the garden. So here I've got about 1.5 cups of basil leaves. And then, instead of pine nuts, because pine nuts are quite expensive, what I've done here is a blend of 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and 1/4 cup of almonds. And then I've lightly toasted them in the pan because they give a really nice crunch. So no oil, just dry roasted, and then let them cool. So I'm going to chop those in, a clove of garlic, about half a teaspoon of salt. Now this does make quite a chunky pesto, because I love crunch and I love texture. So if you want it further smoother, like you do with the bought one, then you can grind it more, or you could grind up your nuts first. This is about 3/4 of a rind of quite a large lemon. The lemon is the key. Well, actually all the ingredients are the key, and then 1/4 cup of lemon juice. A lot of pestos have a lot of oil in them, so I have got about 1/4 cup of just olive oil put into there. And now my secret ingredient. You would have heard me talk, hopefully if you've been following my page for a while, you would have heard me talk about nutrient rescue. So this is a way that you can get lots of vegetables into your diet in a matter of a teaspoon. So they also do a powder, a green and a red shot powder. So the green is 1 teaspoon of this is equivalent to 3 serves of vegetables. So I'm going to put a teaspoon into here, but they also do a red shot, which is 1 serve of fruit, but 6 serves of antioxidants. So that's amazing. And this you can just put into smoothies. You can sprinkle it onto your scrambled eggs, put it into your scrambled eggs. You name it, meatloaf, spag bowl, everything, but it just adds a beautiful flavour into this, and you know that you're upping your veggie intake. So if you wanted to try this, I'm an ambassador for Nutrient Rescue. Head to nutrientrescue.nz. I'll actually put the link in this post, but nutrientrescue.nz/WN1, and that will give you a 15% discount. Automatically applies when you check out. So I'm going to mix up all that goodness. then I'll just scrape down the sides a little bit. So I already had some made. Last night we had tacos. Instead of the sour cream and the cheese, I actually had mine on veggies instead of in taco shells, but I also just put a really good couple of teaspoons of this on the top, which was beautiful. And then we're having chickpea and edamame bean burgers tonight. And so I'm going to put it into my burgers as well. But really lovely with cheeses just on crackers. And that's it. Absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, it's quite a chunky texture. But lasts for a week or so in the fridge. So if you wanted to try that, head to www.nutrientrescue.nz/WN1, and that will give you a 15% discount. So have a fantastic day, everyone. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will look forward to seeing you again next week. See you later.